So I'm going to show y'all how to remove the governor, or the governor screw. So when you open this, you open your throttle up, it hits right here on this screw. So I actually tried to take this screw out with a screwdriver and I didn't even notice, but they literally tacked this thing in place with a little weld right here. You can see that. So my first idea was take an angle grinder or a Dremel and just kind of grind that down, that little weld, so you can, you know, unscrew your screw. But, you know, not everyone has a Dremel or an angle grinder laying around. And also, this is right next to your gas tank, and I already put gas in this thing. So, that's not very safe. You don't need a Dremel. You don't need an angle grinder. No drill, no nothing. Take yourselves one of these adjustable wrenches or something like that. Probably channel locks would work as well. Maybe even pliers for that matter. You could take anything that you can just grab this thing and pull it up. We're pretty much just gonna bend that out. So, hopefully you kind of saw that. I literally, dude, this thing is like smaller than my hand, dude. So, that's removed, but now you gotta worry about this spring, because you can see it kind of binds up back here. I ended up messing around. I took off the spring. I think you can't really have it on there, because whenever you go all the way back, it's just going to be too tight in there. So to finish off the governor removal, I bought one of these spring kits. It comes with like 200, but I really only needed one. It was like 10 bucks. Sorry, it's a little dark in the garage. I'm just going to pull on my light. But I ended up right here on this bolt. You know, just putting it here. I'll find a nut that can go over this, but whenever I full throttle, it goes, and then it actually pops this thing back. So that's nice. Sometimes it won't close, but then you can just literally twist it that much, and then now it's closed. Or if you throttle and you just kind of let go real quick of it, then it'll pop back in. So yeah, governor's good. I would definitely recommend bending it out so you can put that spring on there, so you can pull this part back whenever it doesn't do that. And really just mess around with your adjustment up here and down there as well, so you can get it really good, because you don't want this thing sticking back here whenever you're coming in on a turn, or, you know, stuff like that. So we're gonna find out really how much faster this bike's gonna go with this. So after this, we're gonna do a top speed test sometime soon, and then I'm gonna straight pipe it. So thanks for watching this video. I'm Bataha, and I'll see y'all in the next one.